we are making a cup, an immune boosting cup of hug, yo. We're making plant-based golden milk. Yes, please. The golden milk is slamming when it comes to boosting your immune system. So all we got some plant milk here. We're gonna pour this in pan. Hail to the yeah. We're gonna let that heat up, baby. All right, love. So while that's heating up, I got some turmeric. Hell yeah. Throw that in there. I got some cinnamon. Hell yeah. Throw that shit in there. And I got some black pepper to help with the turmeric and the cinnamon. Because black pepper, shit, you add black pepper to anything, right? And I'm just gonna whisk it up, baby. Let me see. Let me show you, huh? There you go. There you go. Just whisk it up, baby. Black pepper. Hell yeah. You add black pepper to anything and it's gonna give your immune system a 1-2 punch. I'm saying black pepper is now we're gonna add some maple syrup, baby. Shut up, sweetie. Mm-hmm. Damn delicious. Mm. Ooh, it's so good. I'm so excited. And that's it, baby. A delicious golden milk, plant-based golden milk hug that will help you kick winter's ass, yo. Have some. Make it please love of everything that is cool. I love you so, so much. You boosting cup of hug, okay? Enjoy, baby. If you like this video, click the like button. I love you so much. Throw me a comment, let me know you're here. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, baby. Get in here on a regular basis. We're having some fun, baby. And I hope to hang out with you again really, really soon. I'm hugging you.